Here's how to fix AMD Adrenalin not opening by clearing its corrupted local configuration files, especially the AMD gmdb.blb file, in less than 3 minutes. Today I will show in a step-by-step guide how to restore AMD software without reinstalling it first. Quick warning, this process deletes only AMD's local configuration database, which the software automatically recreates the next time it starts. Your graphics driver remains installed. First, close every AMD software process. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, then look for AMD software, Radeon software.exe, or any related AMD background process. Select each one and click End Task. This makes sure no AMD files are in use before you continue, since the configuration file may not delete while the software is still running. Next, press Windows plus R, type %local app data %/AMD/CN and press Enter. You'll open the CN folder, which stores AMD Adrenalin's local configuration files. Look for the file name gmdb.blb. This is the first file to delete because if it becomes corrupted, it can prevent AMD Adrenalin from opening. Then, delete gmdb.blb. You'll see the file disappear from the folder. The next time AMD software launches, it automatically creates a fresh copy of this database. If gmdb.blb was causing the problem, this may allow the application to start normally while preserving more of your settings than deleting the entire CN folder. After that, restart your computer normally. Once Windows finishes loading, launch AMD software Adrenalin Edition again. If the corrupted gmdb.blb file was the cause, the software should rebuild it automatically and open as expected. Now, if AMD software still refuses to open, return to %local app data %/AMD and delete the entire CN folder instead. Restart your PC one more time, then launch Adrenalin again. Windows will generate a brand new CN folder with fresh default configuration files. If you don't see this option, there's another way. End every AMD process again, download the latest AMD software installer, choose the repair or reinstall option if available, and if needed, use the AMD cleanup utility before reinstalling the driver. Once everything is set, AMD Software Adrenalin Edition should open normally while automatically recreating any missing local configuration files if they were causing the issue. Following these simple steps makes fixing AMD Adrenalin not opening quick and easy.